So to get started with Entrepedia, please go into your browser and type this address www.entrepedia.in, and that should directly land you on to the Entrepedia homepage. Now if you're a first-time user, then you will have to create an account. So please click on login. So when you click on login, a web page will pop up which will ask you whether you want to sign up or sign in. Now if you want to sign up, which is the first time you're creating an account, so go ahead and click on sign up. Go ahead and enter all your details here, and once you enter your details, it will ask you for a username. So I'm just going to put John Joshi 2. This is just an example, but you will have to choose your username. Then your email. So I'm putting in my email. Now once you put your email, you also have to enter your password. So I'm going to put in a password for now, and your phone number. And if you have any preference when it comes to languages, you can select your language here and click on proceed. Once you've entered your number, you can select your language preference based on the supported languages and click on proceed. So now to verify your email, Entrepedia will send you a verification code on your email. So go and check your email, and you will receive an email here saying your verification code, and click on the email. So click on the email and copy this verification code here and paste it into your Entrepedia verify email. So I am putting in the verification code and then verify and proceed. Now sometimes what might happen is that if you don't receive the verification code, just check the spam folder in your email. So sometimes it goes to the spam folder, very rarely, but you might want to check it here as well. And still, if you haven't received the verification code, please click on resend verification code here. So I have already received it, so I'm going to go click verify and proceed. Now you have to enter your personal details, because if you'll be participating in any projects, it will be important that with your report, your name and your details will be published in your own project report. Don't worry, these details are not being shared with anybody, they are all secret. So go ahead and enter your personal details. So my school for now is Eduvance, and I'm just saying I'm in the 12th grade, but you can choose your details here. So once you put in your personal details, click on finish up. Now if you look at Entrepedia, there are two sections here. The video that you are watching, you will find it in the learning section here. And if you want to build your company, you can go to your entrepreneurship labs. So you will go here and create your company, and I will show you how to start creating your company. That we look at that in the next lecture. Now if you are in this view and if you want to go back, click on this button here and you'll go back to your learning section. Again, just in case you're in Entrepreneurship Labs, you want to go back, you can click here or just click back as well. And the learning section has your courses and case videos. So there'll be multiple videos here. You can click on the first course and you can go through all the videos. So this is your fundamentals of entrepreneurship to get started. Now that said, we'll be focusing on the labs section where you will be building your company here, and I will be teaching you that in this course. So what we have understood here is the registration part and how to get started on Entrepedia. In the next lecture, we will continue with our course on what we need to do with respect to the various aspects of starting a company, and that's where I will guide you. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.